I'm bored. Everything is so dull. Every year I try to make all people happy, but nobody wants me to have some rest. I want holidays and some pleasure. Where are my adventures? Everything is the same. Those elves, snowflakes, Christmas trees, presents, kids. Brr, I'm so tired.
Oh, Santa, my darling, I want to help you. What can I do?
Hello, where am I? What time is it? What age? Oh, again. I messed up everything. I've pushed the wrong button.
Welcome to the North Pole. We are Mrs. and Mr. Santa Claus. Come on in and have tea with us.
Oh, thank you. But I'm in a hurry. I want to take part in my Christmas party with my family and friends.
Take me with you, please. Come on.
Okay. I invite you both to have Johnny in my time machine. Here we are in the 70s. Love, peace, no war. And Emilia Hizmatulina and Dina Haifulina singing Happy New Year.
No more champagne and the fireworks are true. Here we are, me and you, feeling lost and feeling blue. Oh, the body in the morning seems so very summer. Yesterday, now's the time for us to say.
Oh, it's so nice. But let's keep on traveling.
Oh, we are in the Middle Ages. You are welcome, boys and girls from the 5th B, the Little Red Riding Hood.
little girl, where did you go?
I want to see my grandma. I will clean her soul.
What did she give you?
Milk in a can.
What did you say for it?
Thank you, Grandma.
I am big and brave. I live in the wood. I want to eat Little Red Riding Hood. Hello, Little Red Riding Hood.
Hello, Mr. Wolf.
How are you? Where you go?
Fine, thank you. I am going to my grandma. It's her birthday today.
Where does your granny live?
She lives in the little house in the wood.
Is it far?
No, it is not.
Well, goodbye, Little Red Riding Hood.
Goodbye, Mr. Wolf.
Knock, knock, knock. Is it? It's me, Little Red Riding Hood. Come. Who is there?
It's me, Little Red Riding Hood.
Come, sit down. Hello, Little Red Riding Hood. I want to see you.
Happy birthday, Granny. I have returns to you.
Thank you, my darling.
Oh, what big eyes you have, Granny.
Better to see you, my dear.
What big ears you have, Granny.
Better to hear, my dear.
What sharp teeth you have, Granny.
Better to eat, my dear.
No, stop, Mr. Wolf. You have another favorite tale.
What's the matter? Oh, what? A bathroom.
Oh, the medieval girls are so brave, but I want to listen to some poetry. Let us go to the 19th century.
Okay. These girls will recite to you the poems about Christmas and a New Year. Nargiza Yusupova and Latypova Diana.
Oh, New Year tree, how we love to see you. We'll make some diamond ribbons just for you, of red and gold and green and blue. Oh New York tree, oh New York tree, how we love to see you.
Christmas tree, and read down the doors to the presents. Receive a rose, around the tree. So God light shining pretty, soft white shining clothes, glowing silver, who was the sight for you to see.
Thank you, ladies. You are great. Now I want to feel the spirit of the 90s. Let us meet this famous rock musician.
Oh, thank you, it is so wonderful. But these little girls have come from 60s. Let's watch their dance. Girls from history.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells, all the way. So show your pearly lights. Yes, I know big and bright. Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey, that was fun! Let's sing it one more time! Let's go!
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle jingle all the way.
60s. But do you remember the times of Mafia and Al Capone? Let us visit those notorious criminals. Ask the students take part in the bank robbery.
Yes, I'd like to get a check for my mom. Thank you very much.
This holds up. Everyone says he is cool. It's a hold up. That's right, it's a hold up. I bet because I say it's hold up. Hurry up, hang over the money. But I'm dangerous criminal. This is a gun.
If you don't give me the money, he will kill us.
That's right, unless you do as I say, I'll shoot you.
Well, I'm going to steal the money. I'm not allowed to do the rest of it.
But I'm not a customer, I'm buying property.
And anyway, it's on 25 plus 3. No, my logic is always right. It's 28 minus 4.
What do you make the right time?
Well, I make it 28 minus 4 as well. You see, I was worried about this code. If you get back to me for me, that's it. I would like to serve you. Okay, goodbye.
Oh, I'm so scared.
Calm down, my darling, we're safe. The best way to do it is to listen to the poems in German.
Es wird Weihnacht einmal Lieder. Zeit vergangen und die Lieder. Ich wünsche dir ein frohes Fest, das keine Wünsche offen lässt. Zünden wir viele Lichter an, schmusen froh der Weihnachtsmann. Hat ihr alles schon bereit für die schöne Weihnachtsmann? Winter kommt, Glocken fallen nieder. Es ist kalt, wo es ist Eis wieder. Feine, weiße Schnee, kalter Schnee. Eine Eisbahn wird der See und wir freuen uns alle.
Morgen kommt der Nikolaus. Kinder, stellt die Schuhe aus. Nicht so groß und nicht so klein, aber putzt sie vorher fein. Apfel, Nuse, Leckereien, legt in die Schuhe hinein. Kinder, stellt die Schuhe raus. Morgen kommt der Nikolaus.
Nun los, dann wieder die Weihnachtsgäste. Und welcome Freunde auf allen Herzen. Und ihr lieben Eltern in lieben Herzen. Was sollen singen, was sollen sagen?
Wir wollen euch wünschen zum heiligen Feste. Vom Schönen das Schönste, vom Guten das Beste. Wir wollen euch für alle Gaben und wollen immer noch lieber haben.
Oh, thank you, my dear time traveler. I'm so happy, I want to come back to my friends and helpers. This journey helped me to understand that we should enjoy our present life. Girls on the 7th welcome us with the contemporary dance and music.
He from the north, he from the Canada. Bankroll so low, I got nothing else that I can withdraw. Ran up the door, I got the horses in the back. Horse stock is attached, and it's matted black. Got the bushes black and matted. Riding on a horse, you can whip your horse. I've been in the valley, you been up off that porch.
All around tomorrow, my world's so bright. It's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
годятся. Снимайте свою жизнь в прямом эфире.
So you're a tough guy, like you're really rough guy. Just can't get enough guy, just always above guy. I'm that bad type, make your mama sad type, make your girlfriend mad type, might seduce your dad type. I'm the bad guy. Roxanne, Roxanne, all she wanna do is party all night. Goddamn, Roxanne, never gonna love me, but it's alright. So below zero, high from the sun, I love you forever. We'll have some fun, just get to the North Pole, and you'll happily. Please don't cry no tears now, it's Christmas, baby. I can't I got pretty like when you got my soul, see both sides like see on both sides like. Give me some.
And now we will go to the fairy tale. Our friends, the three little pigs, have come to visit us.
Hello, nice to meet you, boys and girls. Look, what is it?
Hello, beautiful boys. My name is Nafnaf. I'm a nice little pig. I can sing.
Hi, my name is Duf. I'm a kind little pig. I can dance.
Nice to meet you. I'm Nif. I'm a clever little pig. I can read.
But a big bad wolf lives in the forest. He is always hungry and horrible.
We are three happy little pigs. Big green wolf wants me, us, me, us, me, us.
The three little pigs are brothers, and they want to build 3 houses in the forest.
Oh, brothers, it will be winter soon. We must have danced. We must go and make our houses.
Yes, I agree. Yes, it's a good idea.
Let's go.
The first little pig, Nif Nif, gets some wood and he starts to build a house of wood.
I have got a use your house.
The second little pig, Noof Noof, gets some wood and he starts to build a house of wood.
I have got a wooden house, wooden house, wooden house.
The third little pig, Naf Naf, is very clever. He gets some bricks and he starts to build a house of bricks. Now all the houses are ready and the pigs can sing their song.
Big grey wolf wants me, us, me, us, me, us.
Every day the wolf watches the pigs.
Here is a big grey wolf. We must run to our houses.
I can smell the pigs. I want to eat a nice little pig for breakfast. I'm hungry.
Help, help! We must run to our brother. His house is good.
Here is a big grey wolf.
May we come in? We need some help.
Now the wolf is running to the house of bricks. He is knocking at the door.
It's me, the wolf. You must open the door. Oh no, go away. You're a big bad wolf.
The three little pigs are happy. The wolf is away. Their house is very good and strong.
We are happy, big and wolf was us. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
Thank you, boys and girls, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!